Hi there, a very good morning and good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This is Simply Stocks, and I'm here with another video. And this time, this video corresponds to one of the wires and cables company that has been in, you can say, in a spot for the last 1 or 2 quarters, but the stock has come back into focus and is doing well. So, we'll discuss in detail about this company. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should that with your own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. I'm not a member of the NSC and BSC, and that I am not a portfolio advisor. Whatever discussions with respects to markets or stocks I have is purely on the basis of my experience into the market for the last 11, 12 years, and whatever decisions with respects to investments or trading that you take, kindly do take that on note, that you do consult your financial advisor, and it is laden with market risk. Now, before I talk about this company, a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions, seek out answers in greater detail. You can get a YouTube membership as well on a monthly basis. It is available. So you can take a monthly membership on YouTube as well. Plus Patreon membership is there on a yearly or a monthly basis, and you get a 20% discount if you take a yearly membership there, and you can get a WhatsApp membership. What you get access to my portfolio, my watch list, which I keep updating every month, uh, short-term, long-term calls, plus one company, because the markets have come down from the top, a company that looks good from a longer term point of view, that could be very big over that period. So I bring that on every weekend, plus discussions on domestic and global economies, and discussions on global markets as well, and what is going on across the board. We all talk about that. So become a member now. The YouTube membership is open. You can take that as well. You can check that out. In order to discuss about this company, let me take you to the screener website, and the company in question is Polycab India, which is in the wires and cable space, one of the largest company in that space, 100,000 crore or 1 lakh crore market cap the company has. And if you look at its price, it's around 7,200 rupees. Its all-time high has been 7,600, and if you look here, in June of 2024, it went to around 7,300. Then in October, it went to around 74, 7,500, and now it is headed again on the higher levels, on the higher side. So I believe that going forward, we could see a situation where the stock is headed higher, and once it takes out 74, 7,500, we should see the stock trending much higher. Now, how has been the numbers? We'll discuss about that. So, in terms of numbers, we see that in the September quarter, what it has done is that it has done 5,500 crores of sales versus 4,200 crores of sales. So, 30% increase in the sales figure. In terms of operating profit, also from 600 crores of operating profit is jumped to 632 crores of profitability has reduced, so margins reduced, and that is where the stock has not done that well. So what investors thought of was that the margins have dipped over that period from around 14% to 11%, and so there was a lot of selling, plus there were issues with taxes, etc., that came about over the last 2 months, and that's why the stock fell, and the stock fell sharply. If you look here, uh, the stock fell from around 74, 7,500, if 7,300, all the way to 6,300, then it stabilized, went up again, and during the market fall of October, the stock fell even more and went closer to around 6,000, 6,300 levels. Now is coming back. So probably a little bit of investments over a period of time through an SIP could be possible in here, because once the numbers turn around, once this real estate cycle turn around, rates come down, and so a pickup in their sales take place, or profitability takes place, margins get up. So this will take a year or so again. So calmly one can probably invest over a period of time and end up making some money over this. In terms of balance sheet as well, it has around 8,000 crores of reserves, and the borrowings have come down over a period of time. So nearly a debt-free company overall, as we see it. In terms of shareholding pattern, the promoters have sold a little bit of holding. The promoters now have around 63% holding. But if you look at FIIs hold around 13.5%. DIIs hold around 9% shareholding, which has increased over a period of time, which looks good. And public shareholding has remained stable at around 14%. So what we have seen is uh, that in terms of large shareholders, they are invested into the company, and they are believing that the company should turn around in terms of margins going forward. That's what the management has said. So I believe that around 10%, 9-10% margins could be the lowest that it could go to. And once things turn around with respect to the investment cycle, to the housing cycle, etc., here in India, these margins should improve. So, overall, a very decent company to probably invest into over a period of time, and so one can definitely look at it. So, this was a video on Polycap. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. And kindly support me on Patreon and also on YouTube. You can become a member there. The link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching.